back in action. We're back in the action, boys.
What? Oh. Hey, boys.
We secured the guy, man, but he's got a little bit of a busy day. Told him I'll flip you some cash, and all of a sudden, wow, your day's pretty empty now, eh?
Yeah, money has that effect.
Boys, if you haven't seen Cameraman Ian in a while, or Ian the Cameraman, he's a legend on the channel, man. It's a pleasure to have you back for an actual full video. We've had him in recently with like a little bit of cameos and shit. Can't swear, fuck. But today he's got full attention. Let's get into the video. First off, Ian, I don't know if you've heard about it, but we're doing a giveaway for the boys right now when I've been telling them 2,000 likes within the day and they get what's in here.
Well, what's in there? Oh, damn.
It's a diamond ring, bro. You guys
diamond's in the shape of a diamond.
Exactly, man.
Double diamond.
It's like having like a dick-shaped ring made out of skin. You know what I mean? Same sort of. Anyway, boys, 2,000 thumbs up within the day. We're giving away this diamond ring. Real diamonds. Just do it. You guys do it every video. Just got to do it within 24 hours. So it's not too hard to ask. Also, if you're going to give a thumbs up for anything, give a thumbs up for Ian, man. We got Ian here, obviously, because I want a cameraman for this. We don't really do customs often or like videos of me possibly destroying something very expensive with my stupid little craft ideas. But if you guys didn't see a little while ago, we unboxed this diamond Johnny Dang watch right here. Now, Ian, I actually just gave you a Johnny Dang watch in your hand. I see that. That's dope. If you guys missed that video,
by the way, man.
Of course, man, it's the boys. They give us money to do that. We got a diamond one right here. I don't dig it, so I thought let's make something fun with this. And we're gonna like hydro dip the thing, which is when you dip things in like spray paint. You spray paint. I'm just gonna have something going on the screen of how it works, and that's how you'd spray paint water and then you dip it.
I thought you said you weren't gonna do that anymore because it never worked.
I've been practicing in the backyard, to be honest. I think I got it down locked this time. So, we're taking this watch that looks kind of cheap to me. How much do you think this is worth, by the way? Say 15,000.
15,000?
There's the title, boys. We're hydro dipping a $15,000 diamond watch, says Ian and me. So, and hey man, it might not be that much, but I named the price if I own it.
Yeah, I guess you can sell it on eBay for whatever you want, really.
Exactly. We're making it gold. We're gonna see if we can actually make it a little bit cool.
Okay, so I'm playing a little prank on Name Brand here. I know he was getting ready for a hydro dip video because he always uses that same bucket. I put a fake rabbit in there. He's so scared of dead animals. Got ya!
Doesn't even look real, dick.
Knew I should have covered it in blood.
Your idea or what?
Yeah, pretty much. You're getting better with that though. Remember the last time Panda killed a real rabbit?
I flipped out. I cried a little bit.
So was that a good joke? Like, can you use that?
Oh, 100%, Mark. Thank you. That's good content. Thank you for that.
Oh.
Alright, so, oh, shit.
Yeah.
It's already on. Alright, boys. First step of hydro dipping. We gotta fill this thing up with water. That part of the tap that, like, makes it fill up a little faster doesn't work, so. Yeah, hold it up here until it gets a little heavier.
Well, wow, what are you doing?
Hot as hell, man. I love having a cameraman because I don't really need to act entertaining. I can just kind of vlog style it and, like, you know what I mean? Like, I don't have to, there doesn't need to be many cuts when it's a vlog. That's why I should start vlogging. If you guys want me to start, is that awesome? If you guys want me to start vlogging, I can do it. It's a little less work.
How is this your job?
This is why I like your camera work. That's a good bit right there. I was doing an email, bro.
It's an honest question. Honestly.
Yeah, that's good enough. Take it to the living room and start this.
I think your shower's still dripping. How drunk are you anyway?
A little bit. It's Friday night, man.
It's Wednesday afternoon.
It's Friday always for me. Alright.
Yes.
It's gonna be a long video. No, we haven't even started yet, bro. And I'm pretty sure you're not supposed to use hot water, but for that, you gotta get the spray paint, boys. You got gold right up here. We got two of them. Little gloss, the other one. Now, this is where it becomes a little bit tricky. You not gonna run it? Or should I open it? Go over the.
Yeah. Yeah, lighting in here actually isn't great.
Yeah, perfect.
So you're actually doing this in the house?
It's cold outside now. Well, we have to get.
So we're actually doing it in here. Okay.
Yeah. I
mean, you know your girlfriend's gonna be home real soon, right? I think she was actually supposed to be home like 5 minutes ago.
Do I look like a car? We're hydro dipping right now.
You idiot!
What?
The tape. You didn't use the tape.
For what?
You just put paint all over the face of the watch.
Oh,
how are you gonna read it?
Oh, you idiot.
Man, I told you use the tape. Oh shit, that was Sarah.
Are you serious? Oh shoot. Okay. Okay.
I thought you said she was cool with this.
Can you hold that for a second, man?
Alright. God, it looks like there's boogers coming off of it. God, I want to put this thing down.
Brad, it smells like butts in here.
Hey.
I got into the spray paint, man. I was just trying to
God.
clean it out. Yeah, no, it was all over the floor. I used a mop bucket to get it off the floor.
Can I put this thing down or like... Brian, where are you going?
Follow me.
No, oh man, no. I know what you're thinking,
You
like
already know
really.
what's going on, man.
No,
already
I've
screwed
seen
it up.
I've seen you do this like 6 times before.
Oh shoot, we didn't even take the thumbnail of it. Well, boys, if we have a different thumbnail with a different watch, that's why.
Oh man, do I have to follow you in the snow? I'm not wearing shoes.
Here, take mine.
What? That's okay. That's actually not the worst toss. Is that? Oh man.
There's your custom. No more drunk Brad.
Okay. Cool. So much for that.